So let's get to step number 1. If you already have a Google account, you can skip this process, but if you don't, simply click on the Sign In button. Click on Create Account. If you have plans of making money from YouTube, then select For Work or My Business. Fill in your basic details: name, age, gender, click Next. Fill in your preferred password, and you will also be asked to verify your phone. After filing the details, click Finish. Now guess who have a Gmail account. Congratulations! You are one step ahead of creating your channel. Next is to click on the profile icon at the top right, scroll down to Settings and click on Create a New Channel. Type in preferred channel name, check this box and click on Create. And now we have a YouTube channel. Congratulations to making it into step 2. Next is, here is what our channel looks like after creation. No details yet. Head over to the profile icon, click on YouTube Studio. This is where all the magic happens. To check your analytics and change settings, move over to the left side of your screen and scroll down to Customization. Head over to Branding. Now we need to add a profile picture and a banner. Click on the Upload button to add a profile picture, click Done. Do same for banner. If you don't have any upload, you can go to a free website called Canva to create a profile and banner picture. You can skip the add video watermark process. It's not really that necessary. Click on Publish, and here's how aesthetic our channel now looks. Now we need to add more details such as our handle, channel description, and links. So head back to Customization in the YouTube Studio. Click on Basic Information. Here is where we add our handle, our unique username that is used to represent the channel across other platforms. Type in preferred name, and it will check a green sign if handle is available. Move to description and tell your viewers who you are, what your channel is about, and why they should subscribe. Here's your channel URL, the web address or link that drives users to your channel when being clicked. If you have a link, this is where you add them, maybe your social media or website, but I will be adding an auto-subscribe link here. Copy your channel URL, paste it here, then type at the end, !_confirmation equal to 1. Whenever someone click on this link, it opens up a tab for them to subscribe. It's essential to add your contact info in case brands want to reach out to you for deals. Now move over to Layout. Scroll down to Featured Session. I recommend you add a popular session so when viewers click on your channel, your most popular videos appear at the top. If you have a featured channel, click Add Session, scroll down to Featured Channel, search channel name, select and click Done. We are through with this, so click on Publish. The channel just took a new turn all the way from this to this. To boost the channel visibility and engagement, head over to your YouTube Studio. On the left side of the screen, click on Settings and click Upload Details. Fill in a title here telling the algorithm what your channel will be about. This is a channel about online income, so we'll just type in here, Make Money Online. Type in a description that best fit your content. Now move over to Advanced Settings, click on Category and select your content type. This is an educational channel. Select language and caption certifications. Also select title and description language. You can skip this one if you like. Now move over to Channel under Settings, select Country of Residence. Click on Keywords and type in keywords which are topics related to your niche. So when people search for related content, your will pop out. Move to Advanced Settings and select if your videos are made for kids or not. This will save you loss of time when uploading every video. Then move over to Feature Eligibility. In order to upload video longer than 15 minutes, live stream and also add custom thumbnail on your video. This feature needs to be enabled. To do that, click Verify Phone Number. Fill in the details and click on Get Code. A 6-digit code will be sent to you via preferred method. Type in code here and click Submit. Boom! Your phone number has now been verified by YouTube, and this feature are now enabled. To apply for monetization, add external links in video description like affiliate links, and all being listed here requires additional verification. Either by sending a facial video of you, your valid ID, or channel history. This means being active and uploading videos for around a month. By doing one of this 3, you will have this features enabled in your channel. If you have plans of earning on the platform, this is very important. Scroll down to earn on the left side of your screen. Here are the requirements to become part of the YouTube Partner Program. 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. Click on the Email Me button so you get notified whenever you reach the requirements.
That's it, you are all set. P.S. Make sure you create your own content. Thank you.